PMU has never been this painless. Get ready to numb with IceCream. I'm Tina Davies, the creator of IceCream, a powerful 2-in-1 maximum strength numbing cream that you can use on the face or body on open and closed skin to keep your clients' brows, lips, and any other sensitive area numb for hours. Here's how to use it. Using IceCream on the brows will have your clients so relaxed, even when microblading. First, clean the skin and remove anything that can block direct contact with the skin, such as sunscreen or foundation. Follow up by using alcohol to disinfect the area as well. Next, apply an even layer of IceCream and occlude it for 20 minutes. This will allow IceCream to reach its peak numbing level and keep your client comfortable for hours. Within a few minutes, a tingling sensation will start, and that's when you know it's working. After 20 minutes, gently remove IceCream and clean the area completely. Then, clean with alcohol again to remove any residue. Now you can start designing the shape. You can also design before numbing, but you'll run the risk of losing your outline. So I always recommend numbing first and designing next. Don't worry, you won't lose numbness since the skin will be numb for hours. If your client starts to feel tense during the procedure, reapply IceCream as a secondary anesthetic and occlude for 5 minutes to keep your client relaxed throughout the procedure. Lips are one of the most sensitive areas of the body, so you'll want to make sure your client is very numb and comfortable for this lip changing procedure. Start by cleaning the lips well with makeup remover and disinfecting with alcohol. I like to insert a cotton round behind the lips to catch any of the numbing cream. Next, I apply a nice thick layer of IceCream and occlude it for 20 minutes. This allows IceCream to reach its peak numbing level. As you work, reapply IceCream as necessary and let it sit for 5 minutes to re-numb. IceCream is an FDA-compliant formula developed with 5% lidocaine local anesthetic and 0.25% phenylephrine, a vasoconstrictor that reduces bleeding and swelling. The formula deeply penetrates the skin while keeping it moisturized and soft so it doesn't affect pigment deposit. The best part is no more hardening of the skin. Now that you know how to use it, go ahead and give IceCream a whirl and watch your client's pain melt away. I promise you'll love it. You'll cut down your procedure time and your clients will be so comfortable they will be falling asleep. Remember, this non-irritating formula is safe for all sensitive areas, including brows, lips, scars, areolas, and more. Treat your clients to IceCream today.